we doing? My name's Bill from Envision Motorworks. Today I'm going to be installing this Carbon Creations ZR1 style lip spoiler. My C5 Corvette I just picked up about 2-3 weeks ago. It didn't come with any instructions, no hardware, nothing. So I'm going to be using double-sided tape to put it on, and you guys are going to be along for the ride. See if it holds up. I can tell you right now, the quality of this thing is kind of shit. I highly would not recommend Carbon Creations. You just look at the measurements. I mean, from about the peak of the curve here to the point, I got about 12.5 on this side. This side I got about 14.75. So it is, the mold they used apparently wasn't right. So, but I have it now, so I guess I'm gonna put it on. But yeah, the quality of this thing is not great. The outside finish looks pretty good, but as far as the dimensions on it, it's shit. Wouldn't recommend it. Well, it seemed to go on pretty good. Seems to be pretty strong. Feels like I could almost pull the bumper off before I pull this off. As far as the quality really sucks on this thing. The surface finish is really good, but you can see a lot of flaws in the carbon. And like I said, I don't know if the mold they used, I don't even understand how they could put this out, honestly. If any of you guys have any other brands, if you could just go ahead and measure, you know, the ends and see how long they are, because I got almost an inch difference from side to side, actually over an inch. Still looks fine, nobody will notice it, but I'll notice it, so. But yeah, other than that, didn't go on too bad. We'll see how it holds up. It may end up getting replaced with something else just because of how bad the quality is on it. But for now, it looks pretty good. All right, until next time. All right, so yeah, after installing this, I definitely wouldn't recommend this brand. The Carbon Creations, I don't know, their molding process must just be extremely lacking because the sides don't match up. You know, the length on this side and the length on this side in between the dip, they're about 1 3/4 inches off on each side. So the only way to center it up, you can center up the center section, but your end pieces are not going to be exactly where they should be. Other than that, I use the double-sided tape, so we'll see how that lasts. If not, I may have to come through the bottom and drill some rivets or something in it. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it looks okay, but it's definitely not as good as some of the other brands I've seen. And this thing's $500, so I don't know. It may end up getting switched out in the near future. I'll probably leave it for now, but once I start getting some different brands on there. If anybody has any suggestions on any other brands that may be better than this, as far as fitment wise, let me know, hit me up. Yeah, it's just shit quality, sorry.